Hey everybody, Dr. Lee Sierra here, and today I'm going to talk about chiropractic and the immune system. Chiropractors are well known just for adjusting the spine, and oftentimes people just think of us for low back and whatnot. But chiropractic and the nervous system, which is what we are really doctors of, it actually controls everything. So it controls your brain. The brain is part of the nervous system. It controls your heart, your lungs. It also regulates your immune system and immune function. And research has been proven that chiropractic can improve your white blood cell count, so the B lymphocytes specifically. It also improves immunoglobulin function, which helps with regulatory programs and things in your body. It also helps with pulmonary function and other immune system processes. And again, basically what I'm talking about today is how chiropractic can help improve your immune system. If you go on my website, drleesierra.com/research, one of the things that you'll see on there is this article called Chiropractic and Immunity. And basically this article talks about how chiropractors can adjust you and keep your immune system strong. It also talks about how, in the natural health world, we've all become complete germaphobes. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to have my newborn licking the floor or anything like that. But the reality is we don't often expose our kids or ourselves to enough germs to help our immune system be built up in the beginning. Then on top of that, we take antibiotics, which completely depletes our immune system from the gut level. If you've ever taken an antibiotic, that basically cleared out your immune system. Now, do I think antibiotics have a time and a place? Absolutely. But oftentimes they're overprescribed and then we don't do the right things to rebuild our immune system afterwards. So check out this article on my website. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the information in there. Again, it's drleesierra.com/research. And, you can read up as well as I just summarized it for you on how chiropractic can help improve your immunity. A couple of the things that I always make sure I'm doing for my families as well as any of my patients, and including my own family, is making sure our immune system stays strong. So the number one thing that we're doing is making sure we're getting adjusted on a regular basis so our nervous system stays healthy. And then on top of that, we do expose ourselves to some germs, but we also make sure that we're putting the right fuels and foods in our bodies to keep the immune system strong. So if you have questions about any of those things, reach out to me on Messenger, send me an email, check out this article on my website, and then we can talk more about, if your immune system's constantly run down, you're always getting sick, maybe chiropractic is the missing puzzle for you, or maybe we need to sit down and talk about your nutrition strategies or supplements, or you've been taking antibiotics round after round for a long time and we need to rebuild that immune system. So send me a message and let's get talking. All right, bye.